do that. No. Oh God, no, Grandpa, no, Grandma. Help me! Why not gonna do it? Yeah. Oh no! Oh, I actually got it. Well, nice. Oh, he heard that. He heard it. No! Wait, it boosted me into him. Wait, what? Green eggs and ham. Hey, no, Ray is lame and we all quit. No! Henry! Why you do that? He has bear protection armor. He needs no bears touching him. What is this Green Eggs and Ham video? No, wait, no, it's bear armor. It's actually armor to actually protect some spots. No, Spanky.